Hey there, are you looking for the best impact wrench to tackle tough jobs? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, having the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best impact wrenches that combine power, durability, and value for money. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 18-volt fuel mid-torque impact wrench. The Milwaukee M18 18-volt fuel mid-torque impact wrench is ideal for home use for a variety of reasons. First, its mid-range 650 foot-pounds torque is strong enough for the majority of home applications without becoming overpowered for less experienced users. At the same time, it's relatively compact and lightweight, making it a comfortable tool for driving in a lot of fasteners in succession. It's a good addition to your garage or workroom. What's more, it's more affordable than most impact wrenches of comparable performance. 4-speed settings provide solid control, auto shutoff and bolt removal modes, throttle it down to reduce fastener damage or drops, and it has a bright LED light. It's a specifically mid-torque wrench, so it's not intended for use on tight bolts that are particularly stuck, but it's powerful enough for most uses around the home. Opinions vary about its battery lifespan, with some saying it lasts long, while others recommend stepping up to one of Milwaukee's larger M18 batteries. In any case, it offers outstanding durability and is a well-built tool that you'll be able to count on for a lifetime. At number 4, we have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt Max Impact Wrench. Impact wrenches tend to be fairly bulky tools because they have to be burly enough to take the force of impact, so compact versions are few and far between. The Atomic 20-volt Max from DeWalt, however, delivers good performance in a tiny package. While its 300 foot-pounds fastening, 450 foot-pounds breakaway torque are fairly modest, this model is a great option if you're looking for a compact wrench to fit into tight spaces or if you need something lightweight that you can use to drive in an abundance of fasteners. It has 4-speed settings, and the precision wrench feature boosts control and reduces over-tightening. It also has a bright LED light. Its biggest issue comes from the fact that it's so compact. With a motor this small and lightweight, it can only produce so much torque, meaning you won't be using it for breaking especially difficult bolts. A few buyers reported issues with the trigger responsiveness, but these instances seem to be rare. If your priority is to find an impact wrench that is small and lightweight, nothing else compares. Taking the third spot is the Craftsman V20 RP Impact Wrench. Usually, Craftsman ends up taking a budget or value spot, but while its V20 RP Impact Wrench is priced a bit higher than you might expect, it delivers surprisingly good performance. With 700 foot-pounds of max tightening and 1,000 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque, it's more than capable of handling most tasks. It might not be right for especially high power requirements, but most users will find that it more than meets their needs. 3-speed settings and a variable trigger produce plenty of user control, and it's equipped with an LED light. What really makes it stand out as a cordless model is its outstanding battery situation. The battery life is unusually long, and it charges faster than average. A few buyers have noted that it has a bit of an issue with trigger lag that causes it to respond with a slight delay, but most won't find that to be much of a problem. It's somewhat heavy, but is more durable than the brand is typically known for, so it's a standout in the Craftsman lineup. Coming in at number 2, we have the Porter Cable half-inch impact wrench. While there are cheaper impact wrenches out there, most deliver such low power or poor durability that it's not worth the savings. With this unit from Porter Cable, however, you get decent performance in a surprisingly high-quality package to add to your toolbox. While its 450 foot-pounds of torque isn't designed for particularly heavy-duty jobs, it's plenty for most DIY projects around the house. It's corded, but that may be a benefit or a drawback depending on your preference. Sometimes you want the freedom of movement offered by cordless, but sometimes it's nice to plug in and not worry about batteries running out. One of the main reasons this took our best budget spot is because it has such outstanding durability for the price. It should last through years of use, unlike most sub-$100 impact wrenches. It's somewhat heavy, but isn't the heaviest on the list. Keep in mind that its modest power doesn't make it ideal for breaking loose, particularly rusted bolts or fasteners, but if you're primarily looking for something that can zip off unrusted lug nuts or buzz in a bunch of fasteners fast, it's more than up to the task. And finally, taking the top spot is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR 1.2-inch high-torque impact wrench. For an impact wrench that is up to pretty much any task you can throw at it, look no further than the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR high-torque model. With 1,130 foot-pounds of max fastening and 1,400 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque, it's more than powerful enough for use around the house or even professionally. 4 speed settings and a variable speed trigger allow for greater control, and the precision wrench feature prevents over-tightening and fastener runoff. The brand's battery guard absorbs shock before it can reach the battery, which is an all-too-common issue with cordless impact wrenches that can drastically shorten a battery's lifespan. There's even an integrated LED light to illuminate whatever you're working on. The downsides are pretty nitpicky. At just over 12 pounds, it can start to feel a little heavy after a while, and while it certainly isn't cheap, it offers some of the best durability around, which is important when you're dealing with an impact tool, making it worth the investment. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best impact wrenches. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.